How to link debit card or credit card to PayPal account. You can do this using your web browser or the application itself. So if you have an application, make sure it is up to date. If you do not have it, go ahead and install it using your Play Store or an App Store. If it is not available in your region, use a VPN to download the application. Once the application is downloaded, go ahead and open the application and make sure to log in. Once you are logged in, you have to tap on the setting icon at the top of the screen. If you have the latest version, at the bottom near the request, you will see a wallet option. You have to tap on it. Then you have to select the option of bank and cards in order to link your card or a bank account. Now once you do this, you have to go ahead and enter your credential regarding your bank or cards. Now in this option, we'll be linking a card. So we have to enter our credit card number, our card type, expiration date, security code, and billing address. Once we have filled all of this form, now we can go ahead and tap on this option of link card. And just like that, we'll be able to link our debit or credit card to our PayPal. Wasn't it simple? We hope that you will go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you very soon.